everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about the origin of shingles. Varicella zoster virus belongs to the herpes virus family. It can infect and grow in many cell types inside the body, such as the skin, blood, and nerve. Speaking about the herpes family, you may have heard of cold sores. It's due to the herpes simplex virus or the HSV. Okay, so varicella zoster virus causes varicella or chickenpox, and herpes zoster are commonly known as shingles. Chickenpox develops after an individual is exposed to the virus for the first time, which can be through spread of droplet by the infected individual either through sneezing or coughing. However, herpes zoster develops from the reactivation of this virus later in the life. It can be after many decades from the first exposure to chickenpox. Let's talk about the initiation and transmission of the herpes zoster virus. When the people who have chickenpox cough or sneeze, the tiny droplets they expel carry the varicella virus with them. And if a person who has never had chickenpox inhales those droplets, the virus enters the lungs. From the lungs, it moves into the bloodstream and gets carried away in the blood. Now, when the blood is carried to the skin, it produces a typical rash of chickenpox, which consists of hundreds of small, itchy, fluid-filled blisters with red spots on the skin. And the blisters first appear on the face, and then the chest, and later they spread to other parts of the body too. Moving on to shingles. So during this bout of chickenpox, the virus travels to the nerve cells in the spinal cord too. From here, the virus can hide from our surveillance mechanism of immunity and remain dormant for years. This period is known as latency, when the virus is inactive but hiding in our body itself. After many years, if the virus becomes active after latency period, particularly due to the decline in immune response, it can bring about shingles. So shingles can only develop from the reactivation of varicella zoster virus. There's no other way, absolutely. People who are older or have a weak immunity are the ones most vulnerable to the development of shingles. Now, the best way to prevent both of these conditions is to get a vaccination, which is a chickenpox vaccine for children, adolescents, and adults, and a shingles vaccine to people who are over 50. Alright. So that was it for this video. We'll discuss more about the herpes viral family later on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.